Made it back to this amazing place out here called Drakesbrook Weir. It's a man-made structure. I was here last week and I did catch that one trout. I didn't take footage of me actually hooking up. That's why I decided to stuff this. It's only about an hour and 20-minute drive from my hometown, and I just need some country air. Hope the species is trout. Also Redfin Perch. I mean, hey, it's all freshwater fishing. I'm pretty excited. I mean, this is pristine zone out here. According to last week's bite, it sort of happened as it got dark. So that's why it's only 3:15. I'm still another hour and a half early, but I want to get myself all set, ready. Let's do it. Right, so it's a matter of deciding what I want to start using. This is what I used last week, like a semi-gold pattern on it, to spin a boat for red. It's nice and heavy. I just didn't realise it was so big it actually bent the barb. Later on I might be using some of these others, some of these other crankbaits. Flick them out. I prefer heavy ones. And there's another one which was snagged up last week, which we caught out of the water. It's got a bit of a fly plus a bit of extra bit of bling. Try them all out. Let's get into it. Beautiful. So it's an exciting time of the day. There's a few splashes happening here, which is very exciting. So we've got some attention. Every now and then, see over there's a nice bubble, something come up to the surface. So this is really exciting. No hits yet. Yeah, there's a few more around here. Whew. Slow down the retrieve. Try over to first. This is my first tap that I've felt for about 2 hours. The sun is going down. This is the prime time, and hopefully I can hook up. So I got something here. You beauty. At least it's a fish. At least it's a fish. Redfin Perch. Lovely. I'm pretty wrapped. Hey, there we go. Take off the barb. Now I have to keep this. It's a law here because it's an introduced species. Here we go. I'm over the moon. It's taken quite a long time to get this beautiful redfin. It is a smallie, but who cares? It's a fish. I'm over the moon. And I could feel them before, again tap tap tap. Didn't put much of a fight on, but lovely. This one here, I'm actually going to cook tonight, right here. Lovely. The rain. I reckon that might fire them up. It just looks so fishy. Yeah, I'm pretty keen that we'll get a few more or something. I did forecast showers. I'm pretty protected under this tree, but I might jump in the car later on. Mate, Absolutely stoked. Got the one fish. Who cares if it's a redfin? I actually wouldn't mind getting one of those because they are really good on the chew. Really nice. You know, it's a small one. It's going to save me from buying Hungry Jacks on the way home tonight. Oh, I'm going to pour out. I'll be sitting here, so I can see them following it. They're tiny. They're tiny. It's a nice bank here. Come on. Really bigger fish. Really eerie. Beautiful. Right, so we are going to cook this beauty. I suppose we clean them up, fry it up, nice and easy. Come on. Good. Clean the fish. Alright. Fry pan here. Oil. Just a bit. And I should have got my knife to score this fish. Okay. So, just score the fish here. It's night time, so it's a bit hard to see what I'm doing. A bit of salt. Some pepper. Yummy. Just a bit. Yummy. Give yourself a backdrop. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Okay, this is ready. There you go, a bit more light. That's better. Can't see what the hell I'm doing. Oh. Let it cool down a bit. Let it cool down. Beautiful. Poor man's Monday. I'm home into this for tonight. Time to try this out. Beautiful white meat. I haven't got a fork, so I'm going to eat it. Taste test. Really good. Really good if you like white meat or white fish. A bit bony because I just tucked into it, but lovely. Look at the bones. Look at that. I love it. It's absolutely dark. I've got the slide in my eyes. My night vision is gone. So I better sign off. You know what to do. Give me a hit, subscribe, like, share. See you next time. Lovely.